It's going to be dark soon.
Can't wait.
Me too.
Let's go then.
I love this place. It's a full moon too.
Yes, and we need to watch out for the werewolf too.
What werewolf?
Werewolf, they love fresh bone. I'm out of here.
Me too.
Come on guys, I'm kidding. Wait up.
To get home we have to go through the woods and I.Ts scary now. Did you hear the werewolf back there? We need to hurry.
Run guys. It's the werewolf.
You heard Blade. Let's move. Wait up guys. Aw help, I fell down in the no aw. You the bite for the night and you will become me for every, ha 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 ha. Hi guys, let's go out for a bite, I'm hungry.